Hi guys, welcome to Chefika's kitchen. In today's episode, I will show you how to make these delicious double chocolate muffins. Before we get into the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And here are my ingredients for my muffin. I have here flour, sugar, unsweetened baking cacao, some vinegar, egg, olive oil, milk, a shot of espresso, baking powder and soda, and some chocolate chip to put into my dough and also sprinkle on top. I start by combining first all of my dry ingredients, my flour, my cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder and soda. Give them a quick mix. When everything is good mixed together, I make a little hole in the middle and dump all of my wet ingredients in it. Milk, oil, my egg, vinegar, and my espresso. The vinegar will help that you will get a really moist muffin, and the espresso will enhance the chocolate flavor. Mix now all good together. Remember to not overmix your batter. You will just combine everything good together. Your dough should look like this. When everything is good mixed together, add your chocolate chips in it. Give it a quick mix. And your dough is ready. I will bake my muffins today in these cute muffin liners. If you are interested, I will link them down below in the description box. And add in each one 1 to 2 ice cubes. I did get out 9 pieces of muffins. Now I will top them with a few chocolate chips on top. My muffins are now ready to go in the oven. I did preheat my oven to 450 degrees. I will bake them for around 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I will lower my heat to 350 degrees and will bake them for another 5 to 10 minutes. I just took the muffins out of the oven and transferred them to a cooling rack. I will let them cool down for around 5 to 10 minutes and then they will be ready to serve.